Good morning. Today is the day of driven Vancouver and just waiting on the other fellows. Should be good. And then we're meeting Makoa and Derby down there at Peony Forums, which is, I think, where Vancouver usually holds their music concerts and stuff like that. We still have like 3 hours for setup, so we're okay on time. What up? You guys get... Don't forget nothing. Alright. See you guys at the car. Just be careful. We're rolling in right now. So we're here at the Peony Forum, and most of our crew is already here actually. That might be the RX-7 that we were waiting for. I'm not entirely sure, but that'd be like perfect timing. Mark, my man, how are you, sir?
Good. Make sure you not same rules, you know I know. Just pull inside here.
Right on, perfect. Thank you. Enjoy the day, man.
Thanks.
Yo, we're inside, but apparently we're supposed to meet up with the other 3 members that are showing at our booth, and we failed to do that. The show takes place inside and outside. For now, I'll show you guys the LR booth space that they're giving us. Much space. Alright, so... and LR. So basically, from here...
I'm thinking because this is the stage, that's traffic, we'll have the booth facing this way, your car on the end.
Okay.
The other 6 cars will be like this. That's facing this way.
Okay. Oh, okay. Cool, cool.
I think that's actually a really good spot.
Yeah.
The booth would probably be like a foot inside my car, and then just line up the other 6 cars that way.
Okay, sick, dude. You heard the man. Dude, that thing's bad. What? Anson, what up, dude?
What's up, dude? It's dope, so you guys are good with that, eh?
Joseph, what up, dude?
What up? I see you in Calgary. Jackie.
I think my brother is gonna go frolic away, do his own thing for a bit, so we'll get him a ticket at least.
Call it vocals coming?
I think they're already here. This thing's sick.
They're showing?
Yeah.
Well, obviously.
Yo, how are you?
Good, how you doing, buddy?
Good, man. Looking good.
The only decal I didn't take off.
Yeah, dude. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for the support. Dude, always a pleasure seeing this. Huh?
How's everything with you?
It was good, man. Yeah,
Good
yeah.
drive down?
Yeah, how about you guys? Catch you later. Have fun, man.
Bye.
Yep. Alright, gang's all here. Damn. This is the Rocket Bunny FD that's showing in our booth. So sick. So we got a Supra, a drag race Supra, RC, GTR, FD, 2 FRSs, and an IS350. Yeah. Them filthy boys. Crazy. You don't see many of these. Damn. Look at this thing, bro. Holy f***. Damn. think, Jarik?
Hey.
This is actually pretty cool. It's the veal side.
They got GoPro.
Oh, nice. Dope. Yeah, street faction wing. Looks like it's molded, dude.
Yeah.
What? Everyone here is molded. Gucci's car is looking clean. Derp's new livery. Gucci car show. Cherry popped.
Is this still person?
Yeah. Hey.
Pretty cool.
What are you doing? Helping out? What are you doing? Yeah, last minute. Nice, dude. Thanks for the help, Makoa. What is this, man?
I get lit.
Can I have the leaves? What are you doing? That looks dope. This big empty space is actually supposed to be for the locals. Locals. I don't think they've made it here yet.
This is 1019 The Slack. This what makes your girl wanna grow.
It's here.
Your boy Mac Bazaar letting you know with
clean.
a brand new track coming out by 40 Grove.
Should I rep? Should I rep? Just trying to figure out where I can put these stickers, man.
This ain't no jet, baby. This is just what we do all the time.
The car's outside?
No committing crimes, just being live.
Yeah.
Lemon in my drink, baby.
How you doing, man?
1019 The Slack.
How's it going? Hey, we got rep. I want to see this R8, man. Damn.
Did your camera get fixed? Who's car is that?
Yeah. Yo, sick. What? That's cheating, man.
Did you see the off-white RWB and the off-white?
No way, dude.
Yeah.
Only in Vancouver. Damn. Hype beef. That's sick. Of course.
Girl, I'm so, girl, I'm gone. She won't be my centerfold. Girl, I'm gone, and girl, we on. We gon' do this till the early morning. All waking
Room for another
Yeah. Filthy. Filthy.
That's Kenny. What's up, brother?
How you doing?
What's up, man?
How you doing? Good. How are you? Good.
Hey, what's up, brother? Good seeing you, man.
How's it going, dude?
Seeing you, brother.
Pleasure.
A lot of nice cars today, yeah?
Hey. Yo, guys. Mad support. Much love, always. Sick.
till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
finally get some time to walk outside, so we'll check out some of the cars that are surrounding the building. Yeah, pretty crazy car show out here too. Good to see you, bros.
Yeah, you too.
Oh, it's beautiful outside.
It is, man.
This is awesome.
Yeah, seriously.
It's like you're under the shades.
We're just like, can we get an outside spot? It's really like dad one.
Yo, that's cool.
It's like, I'm not interested. I want mommy.
Yo, that's so sick. The eyes. Aww. That's cool. It's okay.
Mama's coming back.
Alex, what up, dude?
How's it going, man?
Kenj.
Yo, why are you leaving? Stick this on you?
Yeah.
Like actual stick?
Beautiful.
I think that's center.
Are you jealous?
Yo, perfect.
What the heck is that, dude? What is that? that thing's so badass.
You know the sticker bomb guy, Matt?
Yeah.
The guy that had all the stickers in his.
These guys, owner of this crazy Rocket Bunny V2.
We have an Instagram channel and a YouTube channel if you guys want to subscribe to us. We're 141 Garage. Two twins with FRs, B or Z, a couple other cars, and a big passion with cars.
That's
So
it,
if you guys
man.
want to follow us?
Definitely.
You guys a link.
Heck yeah, man. Good meeting you guys, for sure. You guys keep it up. Good luck on the builds, eh?
Through your car, and she knows you like.
That was a Pokemon cute stuff.
I love it every time. Very scary. I'm surprised.
Dude, Ian's car is beast. Full galaxy theme inside. Like, dude, everything's purpled out. This thing is crazy. Yeah. Aww. What's up, dude? What are you doing, duty? Aw. So cool. Now this security guy's gonna kick us out.
Go straight, find the J-Tracks inside.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, bud. We almost got locked out, but we need to get our cars out of here somehow. Show's kind of dying down. This fair lady is like full carbon, rocking some avant-gardes. Yeah, this thing is actually so dope. Yo. This is actually super clean. It's a fully molded Rocket Bunny kit. I like what they did right here.
Oh, they actually cut it?
Yeah. They did a really clean job. Yeah. Super cool, man.
One can hope, man. One can hope.
Yeah. Everyone started.
We haven't done before, but my person thinking went out okay. Then we'd like to hear your guys' feedback on what you thought of all the shows. So I want to make sure everybody in the back can hear me. Thanks everybody for coming out and drive safe. Thank you.
Yo, Matt. Pleasure, man. Yeah, see ya. All right, you heard the man. The show is over, so it's rollout time. Out here. Hey. Vlog, dude.
Yeah.
Sorry, what was the business again?
West Coast Auto Lounge.
West Coast Auto Lounge. Yo, Igor is the owner of this crazy 350 field side, and he's been working on it for 10 years, man? Yeah.
Off the showroom floor 2008.
Wow. Major props, man. Take care, man. safe drives. Woo! Holy shit, man. Party's arrived. Hey. Dope, dope. Just gonna bring my car around to the back so we can drop off booth stuff. And so my car can be a little bit lighter. You leaving? Oh, okay. Good chillin', my dude.
Yeah, I'll catch up later.
Okay, for sure, man. Hello. We're here. It's just finding parking now. Got Atsu. What up? Yo, your English getting better.
Oh, thank you.
I got it! Good enough, man. Good enough.
I was too slow.
Yeah. Alright, we're in night market. Let's go eat. Whoa! It's like fresh, the freshest of the freshest. Sure, I'll take it. Whoa.
Thank you.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Jarek's found that the whole... You get black sugar?
I did.
Okay.